First of all, I wish to express for the record my full support for the budget of the Department of Agriculture for fiscal year 2025. I understand that the DA's budget is based on a strategic framework that targets first, the achievement of food security for the Filipino people, and second, the development of the agriculture and fishery sector as a profitable industry. Nitong nakaraan lamang, ayon sa mga ulat, umabot ng almost 7 billion pesos ang naging damage ng bagyong Christine at Leon. Crops, livestock, poultry, fisheries, machinery, as well as equipment. For all of those, there were reported damage and losses. At ang mas nakakabahala